it is important, Bhavya, because see, if you are working as a Linux administrator, right, and those manual tasks are still exist in our current environment, where
Yes.
you will not believe organization, I am telling you, still they are spending millions of dollars only to maintain those environment, right, and they are not able
Mm.
to maintain. Why? Because still the work is manual, okay, and they wanted to automate. So they are looking for some kind of, if you see the JD, most of the JDs will be like,
Yes.
they will be asking that you should be proficient either in shell
Yeah.
scripting or in Python. These two things are
Yeah.
keep on
These two
coming.
they're
Correct?
looking. Yeah. I
They
know.
are looking at, right? And so this is why I said that if you are good in Linux, then you should be good in shell scripting also. Then only
Yeah.
you can automate your current environment, because you only know better your environment rather than a person. Suppose I am a developer, I am just
Hmm.
joined now to your organization only, I'm just giving an example. So you are already in the system, so who better knows the system? You only, right? Correct.
Yeah. My knowledge.
And you
Yes.
have to tell me, Abhishek, okay, these are the things we used to on a daily basis, so how we can automate this? So why you are asking me rather than you can do it with the help of shell scripting? And that is where we can make an added advantage to an organization.
Okay.
And this is how we make an impact in the fiscal year also, and this is how we can get recognized. Okay, this is something which we need to learn within the organization, right? So but if you are not getting enough effort opportunity, right, where you feel like I am capable enough to automate my environment, Bhavya, okay, and
Mm.
now I need to move on from here. So right,
Mm.
so you can take, that is absolutely fine, because within, if you stays within an organization, if you see my journey also, obviously money is our motivation for all of us. We are earning, right, for our family, right,
Yes.
to
Yes.
sustainability. But the most important thing is that there is a career graph, okay, which has to be go in a linear way, right? It has to be in it should not be like in a normal, right, curve should
Yes.
not be like that. So in that case, if we are not getting ample amount of opportunities, we need to switch.